How to log into GoDaddy website builder. Ready to jump back into building your website? Let's go through how to log into your GoDaddy website builder. First things first, open any browser that you like. Here I'm using Chrome. Now type www.godaddy.com. Tap on it. You should now be on the GoDaddy homepage. Now tap on profile icon which is in top right corner. Over here, tap on it, and over there we can see an option of sign in. Simply tap on it. Now enter your username or a customer name and the password, and below them you can also see an option for sign in with Apple, Facebook and Google. You can also use them. I'm gonna use sign in with Google. Simply tap on Google icon. Now select the account with which you created an account. And that's it. You have successfully logged in into your Google account. That's all for today's video. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.